Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best flatware sets is probably one of the most underappreciated aspects of a well-set table. They're essential for every meal, but choosing the right set can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to find the perfect flatware, from different materials and styles to the number of pieces you'll need for your everyday use and special occasions. Number 5. Hiware 48-piece silverware set with steak knives. This set includes everything you need for a complete table setting for 8 people. It's perfect for families or restaurants, and it's an essential dining tool for any occasion. Elevate your dining experience with this stunning silverware. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, it has a polished finish that resists tarnishing, ensuring its beauty lasts. This comprehensive set includes all essential pieces. Whether it's for everyday meals or special gatherings, it has everything you need to set a complete table in one package. Built to withstand daily use, this silverware set is highly durable and resistant to rust. Its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless, saving you time and effort. Each piece is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. The smooth edges and lightweight construction make it ideal for both adults and children, ensuring a pleasant dining experience. This silverware set makes an excellent gift for any occasion. Its versatile design complements any table setting, from casual to formal, making it a perfect choice. What we like. This set includes steak knives, perfect for any occasion. The elegant design and premium finish will elevate your dining experience. If you frequently host dinner parties or enjoy steak, this set is a great choice. What people say. Everything feels solid and well-balanced, not flimsy or too heavy. The classic design is sleek and modern, but still timeless enough to work with any table setting. The flatware is made from high-grade stainless steel that feels sturdy and well-balanced in hand. The material is resistant to rust, corrosion, and tarnish, ensuring that the cutlery maintains its shiny appearance even after frequent use and washing. Number 4. Hiware 24-piece silverware set. This 24-piece set from Hiware includes forks, spoons, knives, and steak knives, perfect for a family of 4. It's an essential dining tool for everyday use or special occasions. The set features a sleek and timeless design, enhancing your dining experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it has a polished finish that resists tarnishing. This comprehensive set includes all the essential pieces for a complete table setting. From dinner forks to teaspoons, it has everything you need in one convenient package. Built to last, this silverware set is resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after every meal. Each piece is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. The smooth edges and lightweight design make it ideal for both adults and children. This silverware set makes an excellent gift for any occasion. Its versatile design complements any table setting, making it a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This set is designed for smaller gatherings. It features an elegant design and premium finish. If you have a smaller family or live alone, this set provides everything you need for a complete table setting. What people say. The silverware is beautiful and has a nice weight to it. The design is simple but elegant, and the pieces feel comfortable in your hand. They are dishwasher safe and have held up well after multiple washes. Number 3. Oneida Flight 45-piece flatware set. Introducing the Oneida Flight flatware set. It embodies the elegance of the 1950s with its flowing, sculptural lines. This set brings timeless style to any dining setting. This stainless steel silverware blends modern innovation with classic sophistication. It's perfect for bringing stylish essentials to both everyday meals and special occasions. The set includes a 45-piece flatware set, with service for 8 people, plus a 5-piece serving set. Each place setting includes a dinner fork, salad fork, dinner knife, dinner spoon, and teaspoon. Made of high-quality 18-0 stainless steel, this set is built for everyday durability and rust resistance. You can count on it to last for years to come. Cleaning up is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. This flatware set offers both style and convenience for your dining needs. What we like. This set offers a modern design with flowing lines. It includes a serving set, making it ideal for special occasions. If you like a touch of elegance and frequently host, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The pieces have a nice weight to them as well. Very durable. They wash well and have a decent weight to them. They've been good quality so far, been through the dishes washer several times, no rust issues. Good weight, simple. Number 2. Tribal Cooking 49-piece Silverware Set. Tired of mismatched silverware? It's time for an upgrade. This set offers a modern cutlery experience with a stunning polished finish. You'll immediately notice the difference. This isn't just a basic fork and spoon set. It includes dinner forks, salad forks, serving spoons, teaspoons, and steak knives for 8. It's an essential addition to your kitchen. Enjoy the luxury design and ideal weight. This silverware is perfect for fancy dinners, family meals, or even camping. It adds the finishing touch to any event. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tableware has a mirror polish. It comes out of the dishwasher looking perfect. It remains spotless without rusting or dulling. Tribal Cooking creates elevated kitchen tools that balance practicality and elegance. Your satisfaction is important, so reach out if you have any issues with it. What we like. This set boasts a stunning polished finish and is made of durable stainless steel. It's perfect for both fancy dinner parties and everyday use. If you are looking for a versatile set that combines style and practicality, consider this. What people say. We've had these almost a year now and they've held up. No weird coating has come off on anything, even the steak knives haven't rusted yet either. I highly recommend these if you want a richer gold color set of silverware. They're also good sizes and not super heavy like some sets are. They clean well in the dishwasher. The set is plain, no design, but that adds to the classic look. The steak knives are quite sharp and sturdy. Overall, the set has a nice weight to each piece, heavy enough to withstand a lot of use, but no so heavy as to be clunky. Number 1. MUTNITT 30-piece stainless steel silverware set. This MUTNITT silverware set includes forks, spoons, and knives for 6 people. It's perfect for families or restaurants, and ideal for everyday meals or special occasions. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this set is durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. It's also non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring safe and long-lasting use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip and perfect balance, so you won't feel tired while using them. The smooth edges ensure safety and prevent scratches. With a highly polished mirror finish and classic shape, this flatware set looks stunning and elegant. It complements any table setting and is comfortable to use. This silverware set is suitable for daily use, holiday parties, weddings, and more. It's also a great gift option for anyone who appreciates quality and style. What we like. This set is designed for a party of 6. It's made of premium stainless steel with a comfortable handle. If you are looking for a durable and comfortable set for everyday use or small gatherings, you should consider this. What people say. Heavy and shiny. Really love the different sizes as well. Easy to clean and use. Great quality and great investment. They are so pretty and unique. Also, very durable. These have good weight to them as well, especially for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.